In my opinion, 2018 was one of the best years for hip-hop fans. We were blessed with nice albums like ASTROWORLD, Culture 2, Scorpion by Drake, and even Gunna and Lil Baby collaborated on an album called Drip Harder. So in today's video, we are going to pretend that we are in 2018 and we are just trying to get placements in any of these albums that came out during that time. So let's go. So for ASTROWORLD, we're going to be using a lot of synths. Let's take the BPM to 157. I think 157 is okay. I'm going to start with the bass line. Yeah, I like that sound. Okay, sounding nice. Let's say accents. I like this one. Sounding crazy. Okay, now let's find the synth and maybe play a chord progression underneath what we have now. Okay, now let's add the drums. Okay, now let's add the 808s. And I'm done with the beats. Firstly, let's take the BPM to, let's say, 130 for that slow Gunna kind of vibe. Yeah, sounding fire. Okay, now let's layer this sound. Sounding nice. I think I'm going to add maybe a chord progression underneath. Let's reverse this chord progression we have here. I think the only thing missing from this beat is a flute phrase. So let me go find one. Yeah, mad. Okay, so now let's add the drums. Okay, now time for the 808s. Sorry for disturbing your video, but I just want to let you guys know that we just dropped the craziest MIDI kit. Come, let me show you. There's more where that came from, and if you like what you heard, click the link in the description to purchase. Now go and enjoy your video. So we are going to take the BPM to, okay, let's leave it at 141. Nice. Let's change the bass line. Okay, now let's layer what we have with something else. Okay, let's add a top line melody. Okay, I'm going to turn it into an audio clip right now and put it into Footy Slicer. Okay, time for the 808s.